What is up, guys? Lynn here with an unboxing, a first look, hopefully a pairing to see how this thing works, of the Unitek, the BL10001-BK. This is a wireless Bluetooth speaker. So I purchased this off of Amazon a couple days ago for $15.99. And I saw they had a rose gold version, and I'm so mad I couldn't get that. Ended up getting the black one. So the Amazon listing says it's a Unitek Bluetooth speaker, portable wireless speaker bar with vegan leather. I have no idea what that means. Back and chevron pattern. So I'm assuming the chevron pattern is on the front. The vegan leather is on the back. Surround sound stereo, richer bass, HD, 6-watt dual driver, 33-foot range, 2,000 milliamp hour battery, 10-hour standby time. And again, this is in black. I really hate that I couldn't get the rose gold. That would have been freaking amazing if I was able to get the rose gold. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we have. It has a little bit of a heft to it, a little bit of a weight to it. Now, y'all know I love me some Bluetooth speakers. I have plenty of Bluetooth speakers. I have unboxed several on here on my channel. So here's what comes in the box. So this says, thank you. Okay. We appreciate you choosing Unitek. We aim to enrich your life. Okay. And then here is a small little manual of sorts. So it has a little charging cable and everything with it, Bluetooth connection. And in here, I'm assuming this is where you will find the cable. Yes, it is. Oh, it's a little pop-out piece. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this out of the packaging. It is still cold. I just now picked it up from outside. And yes, it has the faux leather back. Okay, so this is the bottom, has some little rubber feet, which is cool. Here's the front, and I'm assuming this is that chevron pattern they were referring to. I'm not sure what that is, but okay, it's hard, so that's good. Power button, and this seems to be like an aluminum body. So yeah, it has some heft to it. I like that. Again, USB and the aux, and you see there's that glimmer shine there. See how it's shining in the camera? Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this on. Alright, let's see if I could get it to connect to my iPod. So we're going to go into settings. We are going to go into Bluetooth, turn that on. And let's see. These are a couple that I already have. Is that it? Yep, there it is, Unitek. We are going to connect it. All right, it is now connected, guys. So now what we're going to do is to go into, I'm going to check podcasts first and see how the podcasts, how it sounds when you play a podcast. So be sure to check out Between Gamers. I have a podcast on iTunes. Oh, here's a couple that hadn't downloaded yet. But so let's see. Is there a way that I can play what's already been played? If not, I'll have to go to another one. And it's rated E for explicit, so some of these podcasts are actually explicit, guys. Ooh, that's loud. Ooh, that's loud. That's loud, guys.
Episode of Between Gamers Podcast. This is episode number 69.
Okay. So yeah, that is cool. You know, that sounds good. So now let's try out some music. Let's see. I very seldom play music on my iPod. So it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Very slowly, but it's loading. Okay, so here's music. Now I haven't added anything new to my iTunes, so what is this? Let's pick one. Let's go with Sierra. And play. I'm not gonna play a whole lot, guys. I'm gonna just. This is not Sierra. This is Akio. Okay, let's see. So this is the actual video. So let's turn this up.
I think it's time to switch roles.
So yeah, that is pretty loud, guys. Let me fast forward that a bit and turn it back up.
Just like on the street, just like I'm home asleep, like creep, like find with your friends that call when you.
Yeah, that's loud, guys. That is loud. I really like that. That is cool. I like this speaker. It sounds good both for podcasts as well as for music. So yeah, this is nice. I'm liking this. This is well worth the $15.99. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description to where you can find this on Amazon if you would like to check it out yourself. And yeah, I guess that'll be it for this video, guys. If you're not currently subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos coming here in the near future. This is Lynn, aka iPod One Reviewer. Till next time, guys, take care, be safe, love one another, and we'll see you all later. Peace.